Do you get it? Because I'm old. That's the joke. Just kidding. Jokes are funny. That wasn't funny. Hello. Welcome to a YouTube channel about sneakers, and that's basically it. I'm SB Mitch. Give me a follow on social media. Probably just Twitter though, because I hate Instagram. And subscribe to the channel if that's something you want to subscribe to. Or unsubscribe. You're more than welcome to do whatever you want, because really, does it matter? No. Hello, pals. Wow, that was a really high energy intro, huh? Welcome to Beater Box Friday. We have another box from Sole Supremacy because they're doing good boxes lately, and why would I not want to get good boxes? There is no answer to that, so I don't. Sole Supremacy is the king of the Sole Supremacy pretty much Sole Supremacy pretty much invented the beater box, so it's no surprise that they're the best at it, so may as well stick with them. This box was $700. They actually write like how much the box is underneath the label, and I take the labels off. That's why I keep on looking down at them. $700 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $750. Just dropped my knife, but there's the counter. Its name is Clarence. You know how counters work, so I'm not gonna try and fumble over what the thing does. Wow, those improv classes came in handy. Stick around to the end because we're gonna break down the box based on cost and value and all that good stuff. But hey, let's see what shoes are in here first, because that's why you're here. Please no grade school, or please no Adidas. Oh, there is definitely Adidas in here. Oh, that's kind of a bummer. Well, let's get this one out of the way first. It's a Jordan box. It's a size 11. It's an Air Jordan 3 Retro SE. I know based on the box what it is. It just depends on if it's Chicago or just Air. It is just Air, but these are worn though too, very lightly. The red cement, whatever. There was a release that said Nike Shy Chicago. Didn't really do much otherwise. These are worn, but super great shape. Like there's a little bit of toe box creasing here. A little bit of outsole wear, but it's a size 11. I mean, I love threes. Threes are very comfortable to me, but I'm also an SB guy, so I like shoes that make your feet bleed. But there's the first shoe out, and I know this. No, I'm not gonna wear these because they match my hoodie. Shut up. Size 11, Jordan 3s, red cement. Booyah! If you wanna buy those shoes or any other shoes in this box, hit up my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. SBMitch.com. There's a loose pair. There's two loose pairs actually. I don't know why I didn't grab those first, but I'm tired. So this first pair is a size 8 Air Force One. It's like an iridescent type thing. There it is. It's a shoe. It's an Air Force One. It's worn. It's got this weird iridescent Easter kind of colorway. It's got some reflective aspects to it. Pretty lightly worn. Outsoles are in good shape. Not much star loss, but a good amount of heel drag, so I don't know how that person walks or shuffles. I mean, it's a size 8. Size 8 is probably one of the not greatest sizes to get in any shoe, so, but still, these are worth a little bit. Size 8, Air Force One. Some kind of iridescent John. Philly. There we go. We got a pair of 13s and a size US 8. These are worn. I want to say these are the pure money lows or pure platinum lows. They're pure something. A pure 13, that's for sure. I mean, it's a size 13. It's a Jordan 13. Wait, it's a size 8 and a Jordan 13, and it's mostly white. There's really not much more you could say about it. A little bit of outsole wear. Just need a cleanup. There you go. Size 8, Jordan 13. Let's get some Adidas out of the way. There's two Adidas boxes here. We have a size 11 and a half, 350 V2. Lightly worn pair. Got one of these in the box two weeks ago. Cloud white. This colorway is very pleasing to me. I think the blue and the white is a very nice touch. These are super lightly worn. I think these were from Sole Supremacy's worn section and they just didn't sell them in the worn section. Tiny bit of heel drag. These just need a real light cleaning, like real light cleaning. Insole writing is still there. It's a little bit dirty, but it is what it is. Rejuvenator will make quick work of these, but 11 and a half, not the greatest size for a Yeezy, but these are probably one of the better looking shoes that Yeezy has put out, in my opinion. So 11.5, cloud white, non-reflective, obviously. Another 350. It's a size 11.5 again. These are worn as well. These are a little bit more worn. Pretty good amount of outsole wear. Yeah, these need to be cleaned big time. Whoa, whoa. Were you working in a coal mine wearing your Yeezys? Good Lord. It's a pair of clays. These are dirty, but these, I mean, these probably will clean up nice because Yeezys are really easy to clean up. Yeah, I mean, can't complain. They're just dirty. That's just all there is to it. And as with every single pair that I get in beater boxes, I clean and disinfect all of them. So these will get the treatment and they'll probably be worth a little bit, but there you go. Weird colorway. Clay 350 V2. Wear socks, you disgusting animals. Let's get some Jumpman stuff. There's 3 more boxes in here. We got a size 11 Air Jordan 13 Retro. These are worn. These didn't really get a release, but the Mellow 13s, these were like outlet hits. I don't know why. I think they were like all B grade or something like that. I don't know the story behind them, but it's a really nice colorway. These are in good shape. They need a real light cleanup. I don't know the value on these, but this seems like something you'd get in a $750 box, so can't complain about that. There you go, size 11, Jordan 13 Mellow, which is short for marshmallow. Another size 11. Oof, if I wore Jordans, I'd be keeping a lot of these. Jordan 12 Retro and a size 11. Oh, cool. All right, these are actually worth a little bit, so that's good. It's the Royal Blue or Game Royal, whatever you call them, Jordan 12s. These are in pretty good shape. These came out pretty recently, but man, these are doing actual good numbers because it's a really simple and plain colorway. I mean, it's like a Royal 1, but in a 12. It's the exact same colorway, just on a different model, so cannot complain. A little bit of outsole wear. Not much though. These need a quick cleanup too. Insole's pretty good. Jumpman's gone. There's a little bit of a sticker left, but nice get. Size 11. Royal 12s. Last one in here. It's a Jordan 11 Retro in a size 11. Very lightly worn pair of size 11. Recent release of the Bread 11s. I forget what year. Was it 2019 or 2018? Something like that. I don't remember. I think it's 2019 because 2018 was Concords. But these are super lightly worn. I mean, really great outsole. A little bit of toe box creasing on the patent leather, but what wouldn't show that? Got the original inserts too. Insole's in pretty decent shape. Just needs a good cleanup. Good shoe to end on. This is a solid box. Size 11, Jordan 11 Bread is your last shoe out. And that concludes a $750. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. $750 beater box. Let's take a look at the numbers and see what's going on here. Yeah, this is actually a really good box. I imagine there's probably between like 375 and 425 projected profit, but yeah, these are good shoes and good sizes too. Okay, after sitting down and looking at the box, I'm very happy. This is a really good box. So if you're interested in buying any of these shoes, go to my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. It'll be there. Unless I saw a goat first, which is very possible. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your weekend. We'll see you for a recap on Monday. And then until then, take care of each other. And remember to keep sneakers fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. See ya. Bye. Bye. Have a good day.